Hey guys, welcome to Toilets Every Day, and today we're going to do something very, very special, and is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that is that I'm going to be giving back to you guys for all the support that you guys have shown me into this channel. I will be giving you guys a gift. Now this will be just a prize for one lucky fan, and that would be a Amazon $100 gift card that I will be giving away personally to one of you guys. Now, for this contest, all you have to do is follow 3 simple rules. One of them is follow me on this channel. So if you already do that, you're ahead of the game. Follow me on Instagram at @AlesEveryday. And lastly, all you have to do is leave a comment down below this video saying you have done so. All you have to do, again, is follow me on this channel, follow me on my Instagram, and leave a comment on this video. Now this is something I've wanted to do for a very long time because you guys have been just awesome and I love to give back. And that's something that I also like to do in the future. I actually hope that I can make some deals with some brands and actually start giving away some tools for the people who want to get started in woodworking. I believe that that is the best thing that we can do if we're able to, and I really wish that would have happened to me. And I know that's big inspiration for anybody. So if you want to join, don't forget, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below on this video. That is all you have to do. Now, the winner will be picked on September 1st. So there's a very short period of time, but I will pick it on September 1st and I will announce it, and I'll be sending them their $100 gift card from Amazon. So that's it guys, this is a very short video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you share this with somebody that maybe wants to get started with woodworking. I know this is a great opportunity because with $100 from Amazon, you can get a lot of tools to get started, and I'll also be giving out a list to the winner with some tools that I would recommend on getting. So thank you again, good luck, and I'll see you on the next build.